Hello everyone. Hope your day is shaping up well, and in today's video we are going to cover direction phrases. So let's begin. So the first one is the other way round. And before that you need to look at the pictures which are there on the left hand side and right hand side. So the other way round means in or facing the opposite direction, order or position. For example, girl is on the right and the boy is on the left, but they should be other way round. So that's how we have an image on the right hand side, that the boy now is on the right and girl on the left. Inside out. That means having the inside part turned outward. For example, he was in such rush this morning that he didn't even notice that his pants were inside out. Face down. That means with the upper surface put down. Can you please face down this book? So that's how you can use face down. Upside down. With the part that is usually at the top turned to be at the bottom. Example, he could turn upside down very easily. Back to front. That means with the back part of something where the front should be. We can see this image and say that he wears his cap back to front. So that was all about this video. Happy learning, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe.